This is how my makeup looks like. There is minimal creasing, so it's amazing. Today we're doing this look. But before, please make sure to follow my channel, like this video, and let's start. As always, I'm starting with my Klairs BB cream. And I do second layer because I have redness. Okay. This is the coverage of this product. Let me show you the best concealer hack for the days when you want your makeup to just be flawless. Of course you want it every day, but I guess on those occasions, prom, birthdays, like some celebrations, you want it to be just amazing. Concealer and this little brush. So take a little bit of concealer on your hand. You don't really need a lot because you're gonna use everything very thin layer. You're literally just painting on your skin these movements. Let's start with my dark circle. Let it dry a little bit and then blend with your finger very gently. And you can repeat it all over again where you need more coverage, but I think I'll stop here. You see this very dark spot here? I'm just gonna make it like a beauty mark. Why not? Do you see? Oh wow. Like honestly, perfect. It looks perfect. So this is the result. Great. It's really worth those 10 minutes while you're doing it, so like I can't recommend you enough, honestly. Contour. Jawline is really important to contour. Take this brush and just tap it. Now I'm gonna do my usual contour spots. Okay, now some powder. If you have some spots on your face, it's really important. Like I love blushes that are liquid, but it's more safe to use a powder blush. I'm not really talkative because it's morning. Maybe because I'm an introvert, I don't know. Like there are a lot of people, I guess, who doesn't want to be talkative in the morning. So I'm using this Kylie Cosmetics Hybrid Blush 355 Petal, and the placement is gonna be here. Press. Don't try to blend it this way, just press. Okay, the most time-consuming part is over. I want to start with highlighter, so yeah, let's do it. Honestly, camera for some reason doesn't catch how beautiful this highlighter is, but I'm using it every day. I'm trying not to because my looks are always pink and I'm trying to do something new, but I'm just so obsessed. Look, it looks glowy in pink. But since it's my birthday makeup, it can look however I want to. I hope you can see it on the camera because it's so shiny in real life. No, 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 no. I have two options for today. Those two. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use. But since it's pink, I guess I'm gonna go with a beauty one. I want something very simple, guys, but shiny. It's gonna be too shiny. But why not? Let's mix this and this. Sparkly with matte. Here is how it'll look. Oh my god, I love it. That's it. Eyeliner. Yes. My usual eyebrow set. And let's start with this beauty mark. Let's make it, well, it kind of does look like beauty mark even now, but I love to just go over with my brow pencil. Okay, now I have beauty mark. And my usual one here. And here. Let's add a bit more sparkles on nose. Mascara. Okay, now lip combo. This is the first one. I talk about it in every video, but in case you haven't seen it, the first layer I usually do very messy, just to define color and just makes them more plump when you just, you know, doing it like this. And you see it's very natural.
Overlining
Makes your lips look bigger. Okay, next one. I add in the center. And like this. Basically on top of lip gloss that already is on my lips. Okay, and the last one is lip gloss. And I just love to add a bit of shyness on my lips. You see how good it is? When it runs out, I buy it every time because honestly, I found it and I don't really want to look for something else. Even if I do, this will always be like in my pocket everywhere. The makeup is done, but we need to make it last, and this hack that I'm about to tell you is amazing. I do this hack every time I go to flying yoga and I'm literally sweating, but my makeup's amazing. So take your setting spray. It's really important because it will literally make everything stay. But we're gonna do a few layers of it. Well, 2 layers. Like you can do 3 layers, they will be even more like fixing. But I guess it depends on your skin. So yeah, just figure it out for yourself because every skin will react differently. I have sensitive skin, but 2 layers is always like pretty good. I forgot to turn on my camera, but I already sprayed the first layer and I'm letting it dry. We need to let it dry completely. It's really important. And spray the second layer. Okay, it took me some time, and you see my skin is very shiny right now. It's good if you want like the shyness. If you want to leave it like this, it's okay, but I love to go over with some setting powder. For example, in parts where you have creasing of products, you will not have them if you do like some setting powder on the top. But it will make it matte, so just go over those parts. And I like to do it on my forehead because I don't really like when my forehead is shiny. Okay, makeup is done. You see it. There is shyness, there is matte parts. It's very amazing and it will literally last the whole day. It was a very spontaneous video for me, So I really hope you liked it. If you use YesStyle, you can use my code to get some discount on some products that I've used throughout the video. So yeah, well, I'm 23 now. That's my only thought. When I woke up, I'm like, oh, I'm 23. I'm 23. Thank you for watching and see you next time.